What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best microwaves in 2022. There's a lot of choice for microwaves. Your microwave is one of the most essential pieces of your kitchen appliances, but it's not one that you typically think about. In fact, some people prefer the best air fryer these days. As such, we've examined and tested 5 of the best microwave models to find the options for your kitchen. We put each model through extensive cook and feature tests to measure things like capacity, premium features and ease of use. And the results of this buying guide are in. The Panasonic NN-SN966S microwave exceeded the pack, with its high-tech features and size to be named, the microwave on the market. The 1250 watt rating is enough to nuke even thick foods easily. The 2.2 cubic capacity is large enough for most dishes, and the slick screen interface makes it easy to choose from 10 power levels, and sensors that detect moisture and more. Unless you absolutely need an over-the-range microwave, OTR microwave, this Panasonic model will bring you into the new age quick cooking. Keep reading to learn more about the Panasonic and the other microwaves that made the list. Mom's Fantacy is the best choice for moms and babies. Number 1. Panasonic Microwave Oven. But the model gets really impressive when you start looking at the programming options. Best features: Panasonic's handy, high-tech microwave can handle anything. There's a genius sensor ability to reheat or cook food, which senses the steam coming off the food, and programs accordingly, and it adds extra time based on what you are cooking in case the genius sensor doesn't get it quite right. It also uses inverter technology for constant cooking power, and shorter cooking time. The included turntable is easy to remove for cleaning, and the large programming screen allows you to specify power levels, cooking times, and menu options for shortcuts and more complex cooking tasks. If you aren't a fan of all those automatic options, then there are an amazing 14 auto cook options, or pre-programmed settings for menu buttons, that can cook a specific kind of food. Even the start button stands out, and is easy to use. When you add in the competent wattage, and the internal space, which is large enough for the bigger plates in your home, it's tough to see what this Panasonic model doesn't do right. This 2.2 cubic feet microwave is a winner. Even the design is pleasantly modern, and easy to clean in case of grease or stains. This microwave really does impress on every level, but it's not an over-the-range model, which may limit your options. Specification and features. Model name: NN-SN966S. Brand: Panasonic. Color: stainless steel, silver. Material: aluminum. Human interface input: touchscreen. Installation type: countertop. Capacity: 2.2 cubic feet. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 18.5 by 18.44 by 10.94 inches. Item weight: 37 pounds. Lock type: child lock available. Reasons to buy: high-tech controls, great sensor performance, stylish stainless steel. Reasons to avoid: may not be intuitive for all users. Some issues with defrosting accurately, in our opinion. The Panasonic NN-SN966S does everything well. That's why it is our microwave overall. It is top rated, with over 1250 watts and 2.2 cubic feet of space to work with. You won't have to worry about it being underpowered, or wearing out too quickly. Number 2. GE EM-131A5CSS 1.6 Chew. Featuring microwave, there aren't many one-touch buttons, but you do get one for popcorn, and one for potatoes, which are useful for nearly any type of microwave. Over-the-range microwaves are a different sort of beast. They typically have extra features like airflow fans underneath their base, used to clear smoke off stoves, which can add to the cost, and tend to be larger than other options. With 300 cfm of airflow and 2-speed fan controls, this GE model can handle over-the-range tasks as necessary. That spacious 1.6 cubic feet countertop microwave is also great for larger dishes. Specification and features. Model name: E99Gen3163RJSS. Brand: GE. Material: stainless steel. Installation type: easy mount. Capacity: 1.6 cubic feet. Item dimensions: LXWXH, 29.88 by 15.88 by 16.44 inches. Item weight, 56 pounds. Number of power levels, 10. Energy consumption, 950 watts. Voltage, 120 volts. Reasons to buy. Easy to use. Good venting system. Accurate cooking sensor. Reasons to avoid. Bland design. Dark buttons. In our opinion. GE's powerful over-the-range microwave has extra space. Extra options are plentiful here, including the ability to switch the turntable off, the ability to automatically choose power levels for foods, and detailed defrosting options. Number 3. Toshiba EM-131A5CSS microwave. It still offers excellent capabilities like 9 different menu buttons for specific foods, but the design makes things easy, without the need to learn any new controls. The model also sports an interior, Teflon-like finish called Easy Clean, which is designed to allow you to wipe down spills easily. Although if you are wondering how to clean a microwave that's truly dirty, we've got some more detailed information for you. The model also comes in both standard and black stainless steel, although the black stainless version is a little more expensive, so you may lose out on the excellent cost savings that come with this can more if you go for that option instead. It has 10 cooking power settings, and 6 pre-programmed settings for pizza, popcorn, potato, frozen vegetable, beverage, and dinner plate. Since this model is particularly affordable, this is a good time to mention that prices can fluctuate based on inventory and other factors. We can't necessarily guarantee that our listed prices are the rule of law. The good news here is that they may drop and save you even more money. But this Toshiba model still remains one of the most affordable picks we found of the bunch. Specification and features. Model name, EM-131A5CSS. Brand, Toshiba. Color, stainless steel. Material, stainless steel. Human interface input, keypad, buttons. Installation type, countertop. Capacity, 1.2 cubic feet, item dimensions LXWXH, 17.14 by 20.51 by 12.83 inches. Item weight, 34.6 pounds. Frequency, 60 Hz. Reasons to buy. Accurate sensor heating. Customization for multi-stage, and favorite cooking times. Reasons to avoid. A high failure rate within a year of use. In our opinion, Toshiba's solid countertop model is especially affordable. The Toshiba EM-925A5CSS is a simple, powerful microwave that's ideal if you want an effective countertop model that doesn't try to confuse you with too many features. Number 4. Cuisinart CMW-200 Microwave Oven. The convection fans on this 1000-watt microwave allow you to heat or cook foods in more traditional way, essentially turning the microwave into a convection oven on demand. There's also a reversible 9 by 12-inch grill rack and a 12-inch turntable crammed inside the unit's 1.2 cubic feet microwave oven, depending on how you prefer to cook your meals. The defrost options, varying by type or weight, are ideal if you want to warm something up with the microwave before cooking with the convection setting. If you have a busy kitchen and want multiple ways to cook foods, instead of just nuking the occasional popcorn bag, Cuisinart delivers. About the only thing that it's missing is the ability to set power levels, but with all these other features, that's a minor quibble to be had. Specification and features. Model name, CMW-200. Brand, Cuisinart. Color, stainless steel. Material, man-made material. Human interface input, touchpad. Installation type, countertop. Capacity, 1.2 cubic feet, item dimensions LXWXH, 19 by 12.2 by 21.2 inches. Item weight, 38 pounds. Energy consumption, 1000 watts. Reasons to buy. Easy to clean. It has grill capabilities. It makes the food warmer quickly. Reasons to avoid. Noisy. Very hard button. In our opinion. If you're interested in a classier microwave that goes above and beyond traditional features, This Cuisinart model is for more professional kitchens that require serious heating/reheating capabilities. Rich features, large space, and convection oven capabilities set this model apart. Number 5. Black+Decker Digital Microwave Oven. If you have limited counter space, live in a dorm room or need a microwave primarily for reheating or cooking small amounts of food, this compact Black+Decker model is a great choice. The 10-inch turntable can fit up to a small dinner plate or low-profile mug, but nothing much bigger. We recommend that you measure your dinner plates, or commonly microwave tableware, to make sure that they fit inside. As a reference point, the interior dimensions are about 12 inches by 13 inches by 8 inches. It not only features presets for popcorn, potato, frozen vegetables and more, but it also allows you to program up to 3 functions you use most. There is also a child safety lock feature. Specification and features. Model name, digital microwave oven with turntable. Brand, Black+Decker. Color, stainless steel. Material, stainless steel. Human interface input, buttons. Installation type, countertop. Capacity, 0.9 cubic feet, item dimensions LXWXH, 19.1 by 14.8 by 11.5 inches. Lock type, child lock available. Energy consumption, 900 watts. Reasons to buy. Compact footprint. Sleek and stylish. Programmable for up to 3 most used functions. Reasons to avoid. Turntable will not fit dinner plates larger than 10 inches. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.